Hello guys, I am from Govgrass Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 1 that has been taken from exercise 5.8, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, where x belong to closed interval minus 4 comma 2 closed interval. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that here I shall write given that f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, where x belong to closed interval minus 4 comma 2 closed interval. Here you can see the given function f of x is a polynomial function. So f of x is continuous and differentiable on the set of real number capital R. Now here I shall write Rolle's theorem. Rolle's theorem implies that f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 8 is a polynomial function. So Roman 1, f of x is continuous on closed interval minus 4 comma 2 closed interval. Second one, f of x is differentiable on open interval minus 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma 2 open interval. F of x is differentiable on open interval minus 4 comma 2 open interval. And here again I shall write three, f of a equal to f of b, implied that closed interval minus 4 comma 2 closed interval equal to close interval a comma b, implied that a is equal to -4 and b is equal to 2, we shall get. Since x belong to close interval -2 comma 2 close interval, hence f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, implied that in place of x I shall write a, f of a is equal to a square plus 2a minus 8, implied that f of -4 is equal to -4 का वर्ग plus 2 in bracket -4 minus 8, implied that f of -4 is equal to -4 का whole square comes out to be 16 minus 2 will multiply to 4 comes out to be 8 minus 8, implied that f of -4 is equal to plus 16 minus 16 comes out to be f of -4 comes out to be 0. We have got. Again I shall write again f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, f of b is equal to b square plus 2b minus 8, f of, in place of b I shall 2 because b is equal to 2, so here I 2 equal to b I shall write 2 का whole square plus 2 in bracket 2 minus 8, f of 2 equal to 2 to the 4 plus 4 minus 8, f of 2 equal to 8 minus 8, f of 2 equal to 0. Here you can see f of -4 equal to 0 and here also f of 2 equal to 0. That's why f of -4 equal to f of 2 equal to 0. Hence f of a equal to f of b is obtained. Now again I shall write f of x equal to one point here missed. I shall explain. Here you have got point number 1, point number 2, point number 3. Also 4 point is available. 4 point I shall write here at this place in bracket. F of a equal to f of b. So A is equal to -4 and B is equal to 2 we have got. 1, 2, 3, 4 point will be, then there exist C belong to open interval -4, comma 2 open interval. Then there exist C belong to open interval -4, comma 2 open interval, such that f dash C is equal to 0 we have got. First of all, I shall write here f of x. F of x, I shall write original polynomial here, x square plus 2x minus 8. So here imply that f dash x comes out to be 2x plus 2 we shall get. Imply that f dash C is equal to 2c plus 2. As per Rolle's theorem, f dash C equal to 0. Imply that 2c plus 2 equal to 0. Imply that 2c equal to minus 2. Imply that c equal to minus 1. So here you have got c equal to minus 1. So here you can see, then there exist C belong to open interval -4, comma 2. So here then there exist C equal to -1. -1 belong to open interval -4, comma 2 open interval. This means that -1 lies between -4 and 2. -1 lies between -4 and 2. Hence, Rolle's theorems is verified where C is equal to -1. Here -1, here this point ulta E means there exist -1 belong to open interval -4, comma 2 open interval. -1 lies between -4 and 2. Hence, Rolle's theorem is verified where C is equal to -1. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 1. That has been taken from exercise 5.8, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Here, this notion, mathematical notion is there, mathematical symbol is there exist, ulta E. Here ft means such that f dash C is equal to 0. Open interval -4, comma 2 open interval. In this case, -4 and 2 will be excluded. Here closed interval -4, comma 2 closed interval. In this case, -4 and 2 will be included. Okay guys, thanks.